Today, guys, we're gonna be revealing our squishy. First is the don't look at this. Second is the fake squishy dumpling. I think you can hear it. Margot!
Yan.
This is the other one.
Do the fish chewing. It's not
You
the
can do
fish
it on Mom's channel. The waffle squishy is really.
Tada, Marcus.
What's that?
Squishy.
This is the waffle
We
squishy.
also have
Yeah, this is new.
Wait.
you made one, Marcus.
The
Can I feel it?
the fifth is
Wait,
the
wait, baka
real one.
Where? It can break your
Hand.
the squishy.
Oh.
Hear that? It's so satisfying.
See this, guys? This is Mom is opening the other one.
Second, the other one is the other
This is
real,
a little squishy.
which is a blue glitter.
This is a little sticky, guys. Good.
I'm gonna get my. Oh, this is so sticky.
Yeah, I told you.
So sticky.
M&M's stickies.
It's a squishy and a sticky.
How
If you
about
add
powder?
powder,
No.
if you add powder, it will not be. Yeah. So
Put powder.
sticky.
So you have different kinds of squishy.
Mom, can I do TikTok?
Wait lang.
Cut it out.
Wait lang.
The last one is the real butter. You cannot hear the sound cause it's
Can
really
they hear
soft.
this?
I don't know if they can hear it.
Me too.
It
They
smells
just
really
add
good.
some sprinkles. You cannot eat it. It's dirty
So
now.
sticky. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Like this video and subscribe this video. Bye.